license and registration. Man of unsound mind poses as traffic cop.
A sign right there and say, all right, officer. And say, yeah man.
But how did he get the police uniform? High alert. Residents in Manchester threatened following capture of gangster. The public bathroom debate.
Sometimes when the people come up on me run, go down in the lane and people for them.
We are serving through our enforcement department over 120 prosecutions.
What about us? Clarendon residents demand the state-run vector control activities.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious, and still trying to recover from that Schools Challenge Quiz match is Herman Green, and he's here with a preview of what's up in business.
We will recover. Wilma's will recover. Later in the business day, you're all used to paying for services and goods by swiping your bank card. Well, that may soon change. A new technology called contactless card use. I'll have the details in the business day.
This is a very fortunate night from one Wilmerian to another. Jordan.
A proud Wilmerian at that, and I'll have Sports Archie. A couple of world-renowned coaches have weighed in on Usain Bolt's concern over Jamaica's athletics future. I'll have that and more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Thank you, Jordan. There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, describe a bizarre encounter you have had with a person of unsound mind on the streets.
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The news in detail after the break.